Dập tập hơi thôi, để cái kia đó. Dập tập hơi.
Okay.
Okay, good. Spread your leg. Good.
Ja.
Good.
Straighten my leg. Hello guys, welcome to the start of the tour. I'm just fixing my socks to put the trousers inside the socks to be fully protected by the leeches, and that's the good practice. I'm gonna show you how it looks like the downhill trail on the jungle. It's very promising. Do you think it's okay like this? Do you think it's okay like this, or I need to put more stress? 1, 2, 3. And now here there are the gloves, which are supposed to be worn because of the leeches. And what's the name? The spike trees. Spiky trees. Sorry for my English. So we are 5 of us, 4 girls, and then just one guy.
Professional YouTuber.
Hello. And the start of the trail is down there, isn't it? It's down there.
What?
The start of the trail is down.
Yeah.
It's not. Okay, I'm gonna get my backpack. 1, 2, 3. Huh? No, not now, but I should start. Yeah, all right. I'm not sure if it's recording now. Yeah, it's recording. Yeah.
Hello, năm anh em đi mọi người ơi, anh ấy đang.
No, we're just starting in the muddy jungle. It will be worse and worse.
Welcome to the jungle.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Watch your steps.
So this is our spiky trees.
Yeah.
This is spiky trees.
I'm familiar actually with these spiky trees because I used to do many jungle trekking in on some islands. Okay, now the fun is coming. You move steeply down.
Chỗ này là đi xuống mọi người cẩn thận mấy cái đá rêu màu xanh cho em vào nhá. Mấy cái đá rêu màu xanh mọi người chụp lên nó trơn lắm á.
Watch your steps. Watch your steps. Yeah, it was under control, but be careful, girls. Yeah?
With the hand stick?
I think not. So far, I'm okay. Yeah, with the sticks, I had also mine, but I didn't bring. I didn't take.
Oh, so you have?
No, I don't. I have it. But okay, here I don't know if it makes sense, but it's okay. I must fold my body. I must fold my legs to have as much control as possible.
Yeah.
I cannot go in line straight down like this.
Yeah.
Like
chị Hà lại đi cho em.
Okay. Fold your body like this. Your feet like a magnet, girls. I'll tell you from my experience because jungle trails I did many times. I never did the caves. Okay, so far, session number 2 is over. Here we are, and there we go. Session number 4, here we have a water stream, but still let's be careful. I wanna go get the water, but wow. But that is stupid. Alright, okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I guess I can do this link.
What have you got?
9. The second last work.
already.
Yeah, it is.
Let me see.
It,
No guys, we are in the
so we are missing still 3 girls and a porter.
Ok.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Mọi người tới đây chụp ảnh không?
Có, bạn đi.
Vô luôn.
Transaction completed. Here we are in the gloomy jungle. There are some ponds everywhere, and some kind of small swamps, but nothing to be very worried about. And 1, and 2. Bloody cow. 1, 2, 3, 1. I did it without folding my body too much. Okay. Hello guys, welcome. It's started to rain. It seems it's going to pouring rain, but luckily we are dealing with the uphill and not downhill. But there's a light down. Be careful. Okay, terrain look okay, but still. Okay. Well. Okay. So, should we put should we put our raincoat? I have a raincoat, rain jacket. The helmet now? No, okay, it's too early still.
It's really like very difficult to check with the wind coming.
Yeah.
Okay. Because you know we just straight under the lid.
Yeah.
So the wind just not directing to us.
Hello guys, we are about to approach the Pygmy Cave.
Oh,
Hang over.
5 minutes to hang over.
Here's the shape of the cave. We are gonna continue to that way. This is the way from where we came. We are in the abseiling session. I'm already done. I'm here with the 2 girls, which was brave enough to do it nicely. Hey guys, we are at the campsite. We are ready for to have dinner. This is our spot. This is Good morning guys and girls. We are starting our second day of trekking by getting out from the cave, Pygmy Cave. It will be, today it's going to be 8 kilometers of trekking. And now we are starting some down and up, and will be all the time like this. The elevation profile down going, uphill. And finally we are expecting a grassy downhill. Probably wetty and muddy as well. And 1 and 2, 3, 4. One and 2. Let's watch out for the spiky trees. What a breathtaking view we have here from here. Oh, wow, amazing. And finally, I have arrived. Together, hello! Come here! Sorry, I did it on my own speed. I wanted to invest the best of my energy.
Woo!
Hey!
Thank you very much,
We are
leader.
back and safe
Thank you very much.
to the civilization, to the urbanization.
We are still survived. Still alive. Hello, 500 people.
Oh, hello. How are you?
Yay.
Yeah.
Ôi mẹ ơi.
Yeah. So here there are the porters, outfitters, carrying back our stuff to the jungle boss headquarters. So let's see who is next. Oh my gosh, hey! Welcome back to the urbanization. Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back to the urbanization. Come back. Boarding completed. Oh, end of trip session. Next stop is Jungle Boss headquarters.